Before we start this video, I would like to say that I'm in no way sponsored by the Woobles, nor am I being paid by the Woobles to review this product. All opinions are my own. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And today in this video, I'm going to do a review on the 2025 Woobles Advent calendar. And before I start this video, I would like to say that I'm in no way sponsored by the Woobles, nor am I being paid by the Woobles to review this product. All opinions are my own. So I do have some opinions about this kit. It was a fun kit, but I do have some downfalls, and I'll get into that after I finish showing you guys everything I made from the Woobles kit. So I'm going to get started, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is everything I made from the Woobles 2025 Advent Calendar Kit. I'll tell you what each item is. We have a little candy, this adorable little sailboat, a yo-yo, a little tiny toy car, which is absolutely adorable, a little spinning top, and then these 3 blocks. As you can see, my embroidery is not the best, but oh well. We also have this caribou. I don't remember what his name is. We have this cute little elf. He made her hat. Doesn't really stay on that well, but I'm doing my best. I have a beaver, and then this is an alpaca. So that's everything I made in this Woobles kit. Everything, as you can see, was super cute. All these kits were just super quick and easy. I really enjoyed them. They were so much fun, and I got a lot of these done, all of them done with I think a day or two, and I just personally really enjoyed it. It was very fun and relaxing, and these worked up super quickly, and I personally really just had a lot of fun making them. So I want to give you guys some more thoughts I have on this kit right now. So here are my honest thoughts on this Woobles 2025 Advent Calendar. I'm going to go with the pros first. So the pro I had with this was these products were so much fun. They were really easy. They worked up pretty quickly. And the only downfall I did have with this kit was, to me, there were like more accessories, which I don't mind. I mean, the accessories are really cute. Then, oops, I forgot to weave an N in this, my bad. The actual Woobles itself, that is my only downfall, was I wish there were more Wooble characters to make than accessories. But above all, this was just a fun, relaxing kit, a great way to get into the holidays, and I will be gifting these as gifts. So I'm pretty much happy with the way I got to relax while doing it. I just wish there were more characters in this Advent calendar rather than just little accessories. But above all, it was just a really great Advent calendar. So I would highly recommend this kit to beginners because there are some small projects to it, projects in this kit. I would also recommend it to advanced crocheters if you just wanted to try it out. But that was just my only downfall with it, was there were more accessories than actual characters itself. But I did really enjoy it. A lot of the projects were super quick, so I highly do recommend this for beginners if you would like to try this kit, because all the projects are super small, and then you can work on the bigger stuff. But as an advanced like knitter, actually I do knit, I do crochet a little bit, but I just wish there were kind of like more characters and accessories. So that's just my only downfall, but I did like this kit. I enjoyed it. I thought it was super fun. I just wish there were more characters. So I would highly recommend this to beginners just because there are a lot of little tiny things a beginner can do, and then you can work on the bigger characters. So this is just a kit I recommend for beginners. So that was my review on the Woobles 2025 Advent Calendar. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm in no way sponsored by the Woobles, nor am I being paid by the Woobles to review this product. And also, this was not to bash the Woobles. I love the Woobles. I love their kits, but those were just my one downfall about it, was I wish there were more characters in the kit than actual accessories. But still, I pretty much enjoyed it and I had a great time because each box was a little surprise, which I love surprises. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I'll see you in another video soon.